Can the income tax department demand tax just to increase revenue? The Delhi High Court has given a very strong message to tax officers, and every taxpayer should know this. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss an important Delhi High Court judgment that directly impacts foreign companies, TDS provisions, and the tax department's approach. This case relates to foreign companies that apply for lower or nil TDS certificate under Section 197 of the Income Tax Act. These certificates are required when payment like interest, royalty, or fee are taxable at a lower rate or non-taxable at all. However, in many cases, tax authorities were rejecting or delaying these certificates, resulting in excess tax deduction even when the income was not taxable in India. What did the Delhi High Court say? The Delhi High Court clearly stated that tax authorities should not chase extra revenue. Instead, they must adopt a pragmatic, lawful, and justice-oriented approach. The court emphasized that decisions must be taken strictly according to law, not based on assumptions or revenue targets. The court made these three very important observations. Ease of doing business is hampered when lawful relief is denied. Excess TDS creates unnecessary refunds and litigation which benefits no one. If income is not taxable, any TDS deducted must be refunded with interest. In this case, the High Court directed the department to issue a nil TDS certificate to the foreign company, not only for the assessment year 26-27, but also for subsequent years. Why this judgment is important? This judgment is a big relief for foreign companies, MNCs, and Indian businessmen making overseas payments. It sends a clear message that tax officers are not revenue collectors, they are law administrators. Law overrides revenue pressure. In short, the Delhi High Court has said, don't go for extra revenue, be pragmatic. If you found this explanation useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want a detailed video on Section 197 or TDS on foreign payments. The CA and Insolvency professional Praveen Agrawal, thanking you for watching. I hope this episode will be helpful for you. Please subscribe for many more such videos. Thank you.